Would you live here in 2050? What if your home wasn't fixed on land, but free, alive, and intelligent? A home that travels with you, never sends you a single bill, and adapts to your every desire. Welcome to the mobile homes of 2050, where there are zero bills and zero limits. Look around today, our planet is crying for change. Rising seas swallow coastlines, energy bills soar beyond control, and polluted air chokes our cities already bursting with people. The homes we know today, no matter how strong, are powerless against tomorrow's storms. But the future doesn't demand just strength, it demands intelligence. By 2050, homes will think, adapt, and protect like living organisms. Imagine walls that purify air, roofs that generate endless power, and structures that float above rising waters. The shift isn't about surviving anymore, it's about evolving into smarter, futuristic sanctuaries built to outlast every challenge ahead. Now, step closer. The entrance of this futuristic home is unlike anything you've ever imagined. Transparent walls glide open with a seamless whisper, instantly recognizing you through advanced biometric scans, no keys, no touch, just your presence. As you step inside, the floor gently illuminates beneath your feet, casting a soft glow that guides your path. It feels less like a building and more like a living organism, responding to your every move, adapting to your presence. The air is purified as you breathe, subtle scents shifting with your mood, while the entire space hums with the rhythm of tomorrow's intelligent design. The living room isn't just a space to sit, it's a living, breathing experience that evolves with you. Picture walls made of intelligent, living glass, shimmering with possibilities. At one glance, they open wide to reveal the endless blue of the ocean, and with a simple command, they shift into colossal holographic screens wrapping you in light. In seconds, your calm ocean view becomes a private cinema, or even an interactive gaming arena that feels larger than life. The furniture flows like liquid design, lounges sliding into recliners, recliners folding into immersive gaming pods, all responding to your mood, your needs, your imagination. Welcome to the kitchen of 2050, a place where the very idea of cooking has been redefined. Here, preparing a meal doesn't take hours, it takes seconds. Imagine walking in, and without lifting a finger, robotic chefs glide into action. Guided by advanced AI nutrition systems, they know exactly what your body needs in that very moment, whether it's more energy, better focus, or deep recovery. Each ingredient is chosen with precision, every dish perfectly balanced to enhance your health. The counters? They're self-cleaning surfaces, powered by nanotech, wiping away spills before you even notice. And the walls, yes, the walls themselves, are alive with vertical hydroponic nano farms, glowing softly as they grow fresh vegetables, fruits, and herbs right in front of you. No grocery runs, no processed food, just a cycle of pure, living nutrition at your fingertips. Every corner of this kitchen breathes intelligence. Even the air is infused with subtle aromas tailored to your mood, calming your mind as you prepare to eat. And this kitchen doesn't just feed you, it heals you. It turns the act of eating into a daily ritual of wellness, a fusion of technology and nature working together to make you stronger, sharper, and more alive than ever before. Now, step into the bedroom of the future, a sanctuary designed to dissolve the boundaries between reality and imagination. With a single word, the ceiling above you melts away, revealing the vast cosmos. Stars shimmer in infinite detail, galaxies swirl in motion, and you feel as if you're drifting among them. Prefer peace over wonder? With another command, the room transforms into an underwater escape. Crystal clear glass walls reveal glowing fish gliding past, soft waves of blue light washing the space in calm. The bed isn't just furniture, it learns your body, reshaping itself for perfect comfort. Temperature, airflow, even subtle humidity shift with your sleep cycle, wrapping you in the ideal environment for deep, healing rest. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a dream engine, bending technology to turn every night into an immersive journey of serenity and renewal. This bathroom is not just about cleansing, it's pure rejuvenation, a futuristic spa woven into your daily life. Imagine water that never runs out, endlessly purified and recycled through advanced nanofiltration, flowing cleaner than the purest spring. Step into the shower and it instantly transforms into an aromatherapy chamber. Fragrances adapt to your mood, lavender to calm, citrus to energize, mint to refresh, turning a simple rinse into a sensory journey. Holographic wellness pods surround you, softly glowing as they scan your body. In seconds, they track your vitals, detect early signs of stress or imbalance, and sync directly with the AI kitchen to fine-tune your meals for perfect health. The mirrors are alive, displaying insights about your body with gentle reminders for posture, hydration, and relaxation. Even the lighting adjusts, mimicking sunrise to wake you or twilight to prepare you for sleep. Every visit feels less like using a bathroom and more like stepping into a private sanctuary where science, technology, and serenity unite. Here, cleansing becomes healing, and every moment renews both body and mind. Every home needs a place to relax, but the TV lounge of 2050 takes relaxation to another dimension. Forget ordinary screens. Here, the entire wall transforms into a living, 12K holographic environment that wraps around you. One moment, you're watching a breathtaking film, and in the next, you're no longer an observer, you're inside the action itself. Explosions ripple in the distance, city lights glow at your fingertips, and you can almost feel the wind as scenes unfold around you. Surround sound isn't just noise, it's alive, adapting to your heartbeat, syncing to your emotions, pulling you deeper into every frame. This isn't a lounge anymore, it's an endless gateway into worlds limited only by imagination. But what if your walls weren't fixed at all? What if they could shift, expand, or fold, creating new rooms whenever you needed them? One moment it's a quiet study, the next it's a full entertainment hall. And what if your entire home itself could fold up like origami and sail across the ocean, carrying you to a new country overnight? No moving trucks, no packing, your whole life travels with you. Now imagine an AI system that doesn't just serve commands, but listens to your subconscious. It studies your dreams, your rhythms, your desires, and reshapes your mornings around them, turning fantasy into daily reality. Standing here, surrounded by this breathtaking beauty, you realize, this is no longer just a house. It's not shelter built of steel and glass, it feels alive. Every wall, every system, every breath of air is part of a living organism, one that learns, evolves, and protects you. Energy flows endlessly, water renews itself, and the home anticipates your needs before you speak. There are no bills, no restrictions, no boundaries, only freedom. Freedom from the limits we once accepted, freedom from everything we thought a home could be. This isn't just tomorrow's dream. This is the future, and the future has already arrived. This was just one glimpse into the homes of tomorrow, mobile homes of 2050, zero bills, zero limits. A world where walls move, energy renews, and life feels limitless. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Because what you've seen today is only the beginning. The future of living has only just begun, and the next chapter is waiting for you. Up next, a home that transforms like a machine. Don't miss the AI mobile home that expands like a transformer, full tour, coming soon.